Hold the front M.2 guide pin and align the Ethernet connector and VGA connector with the corresponding holes. Then gently slide the system board forward at an angle. Insert the system board into the node. Install the power distribution board. Align the water loop trough with the holes on the system board and then fasten the two Torx T10 screws. Fasten the two flathead screws per node to the front of the node. Fasten the 5 Phillips #1 screws per node to the system board. Fully loosen the two captive thumb screws located at each end of the water loop carrier. Insert the quick connect tip through the opening in the rear of the tray. While holding the water loop with both hands, gently lower it down. Put the water loop down and ensure it is firmly seated on the system board. Fully loosen the two captive thumb screws located at each end of the water loop carrier. Turn over the top side of the water loop. Insert the quick connect into the tray opening. Gently put the other side of the water loop down and ensure it is seated firmly on the system board. Move the anti-tilt wire bales outwards to the locked position. Fully tighten all the Torx T30 captive screws on the cold plates following the installation sequence shown on the cold plate labels. Loosen the water loop carrier screws. Lift the water loop carrier up and away from the water loop. Reinstall the water loop screws. Fasten the 4 Torx T10 screws per node to secure the quick connect. Fasten the 2 Phillips #1 screws per node on the rear of the node. Slide the VR clamp plate into the node and fasten the 2 Torx T10 screws per node. Install the front and rear cross braces. Install the DIMMs. Install the DIMM combs. Install the M.2 backplanes. If applicable, install the drive cage assembly. If applicable, install the PCIe riser assemblies. Install the tray cover.